A capillary pump moves liquid through tiny spaces with no motor. The liquid wets the surface so its molecules cling to the walls. A curved meniscus forms. Surface tension creates lower pressure just ahead of the liquid. That pressure difference pulls more liquid forward, while cohesion keeps the liquid connected. A wick can therefore draw liquid from a reservoir and deliver it downstream. Narrow pores pull strongly, but friction slows flow. Drying can also stop the pump. Wetting and surface tension create a pressure difference that pulls liquid through tiny channels.